You will realize it.
But I think
life is super cool.
But I think for a Gen Z के लिए ना, when they will turn 50, it won't be like that.
I don't think so. It will be like that. Trust me. ये जो बना हुआ है ना आजकल, like I joke about Gen Z because I'm jealous of them. Because that's the reality है. मुझे भी young होना है. But ये जो बना हुआ है ना कि ये अलग, ये इनका तो future खत्म है, ये बर्बाद है, ये हर generation के साथ हुआ है. Everything, like the stuff that we talk about, like social media and AI और ये सब चीजें, every single time a new technology has come, every single time in the history of mankind, the same conversations have happened. You know, when radio was invented, I was not there, मैं उसके बाद आया, but when radio came ना, same conversations used to happen there. कि now people will just while away their time sitting and listening to radio. Then TV came, same conversations happened in that era. कि अब तो ये this generation is gone, all they will do is sit in front of
Then
TV.
internet it became worse.
हाँ, internet में भी same conversation, social media आया same conversation, AI आया same. तो ये conversations होती हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. All of us will figure out a way to live. We have all grown up. Every generation has grown up different. We grew up in a different world, right? And we have different sensibilities around the world, which have helped us navigate the rest of our lives. You guys grew up in a very different world, but you are developing everything that you will need to navigate the future life that will come, which will be more attuned to what you have experienced so far. You know what I mean? Right? If tech and all this social media and all of this is the game, in some form or format, you know that game better because you were born into it.
But in general, other things are getting impacted. Like, कोई data आया था that Gen Z is not drinking that much. Gen Z is not dating that much as well.
Drinking very good if they're not drinking.
But that's where the fun stories begin for people.
Not necessarily. Don't ऐसे बच्चों को मत खुद बच्चे ऐसा कुछ नहीं है भाई दारू पीने से ये थोड़ा सारी स्टोरी दारू. No, there Gen Z is also doing a lot of right things. This not drinking thing is brilliant if they can manage it. And it's not they're not drinking. They're drinking like they are not the kind who would propagate drink every day. ठीक है, Friday night, Saturday night दोस्तों के साथ गए हैं, दारू पी रहे हैं, तमीज से पी रहे हैं, right? So that's a great thing to have. Please do that. But you've grown up different. You've grown up in an isolated world, right? The generation which is like 20 less, abhi na, they've grown up very, very differently, and that is why a lot of these, and uska genuine reason hota hai. I read this is not my take on it. Like it is my take, but original nahi hai. 80s and 90s across the world, including India, is when cable TV came. Right? When cable TV came, cable TV news came. Cable TV news meant 24/7 news, which meant that कुछ भी होगा तो हमें कुछ तो बोलना ही है ना 24 घंटे न्यूज चैनल पे. तो द न्यूज बिकेम मोर लोकलाइज्ड. आज गोरखपुर में ये हो गया, आज वहाँ पे ये बच्चा अगवा हो गया, आज वहाँ उसके साथ ये हो गया, ये सब न्यूज बनना शुरू हो गया, which पहले नहीं होता था. When such news started coming in, parents got very scared. कि बेटा बच्चे को बाहर भेजेंगे, ये सब हो रहा है दुनिया में. हमारे टाइम पे भी हो रहा था, हमें पता ही नहीं था, राइट? तो जब छोटे छोटे बच्चे ना, आई एम टॉकिंग स्मॉल किड्स, राइट? अभी तुम देखोगे ना इन अपार्टमेंट कॉम्प्लेक्सेस या कहीं पे भी, इफ द किड गोज आउट टू प्ले, उसके साथ एक दीदी जाती है साथ में, राइट? सम लाइक हाउस हेल्प वुड गो और सम मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली वुड गो डाउन to play,
to look after
them. And वो झूले पे चढ़ रहा होगा, उसको रोक देंगे, नहीं बेटा गिर जाओगे. वो किसी से लड़ाई करता है, एकदम से अलग कर देते हैं, say sorry, right? You are killing all the necessary social skills that a human being should have.
Street smart नहीं बना रहे हो.
We fell from those झूलास. We knew कि बस ये रिस्की होता है, right? अभी बच्चों को पता ही नहीं है, हर चीज में रोक रहे हो. If I fought with you, if I was 5 years old, you were 5 years old, I fought with you, I knew कि ये हमारी लड़ाई हुई है, अब हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, right? Now I have to go say sorry, या इससे बात करनी है. एक human emotions जो interactions, we learned all of that in the playground. इनको करने ही नहीं दे रहा कोई. And their other life is on social media, right? Which 100%. is, you can be in my life right now, I can block you, you're gone forever. It is so easy to remove you from my life, it's just block you on every social media platform. You're gone, finished, right? So you're growing up very differently. That's why these social interactions, meeting people face to face, meeting your love interest in real life instead of from a dating app, is the way of life for you guys. There's no good or bad. It's unfortunate because we've seen that part. I know that is more fun. But that's how you'll grow up. You'll find your way through it.
You're sure about that?
Oh yeah, of course यार, तुम क्या ऐसे मत थोड़ा जाओगे कि अरे यार हमसे नहीं हो पा रहा, हम जा रहे हैं अर्थ से.
But this generation is sad. मतलब our generation.
Lonely.
Lonely.
Because social interactions are lesser. All the interactions are just digital most of the time. That's why, you know, just talking face to face, just sitting and hanging out is difficult for a lot of people. Lot more people than it used to be earlier. पहले सिर्फ वो introverts के बारे में बोलते थे ना ऐसे कि, you know, they are the quieter ones. Now most
people are like that.
Are like that because वो है ही नहीं social skills. Not their fault. It's not Gen Z's fault. It's how they grew up, the world in which they grew up.